Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to do something a little colorful just to go along with my top right here. You know, I have worn this top once before on my channel. I really love it. I got it from India. It's really pretty. Just a little bit, here you go. So it's really pretty, and the video I did when I wore this was a birthday video. I think it was like 2 years ago. So if you haven't seen that, I will leave a link to it up here. Definitely go check that out. So I wanted to keep along with this like colorful look and theme, and I do have a bunch of liquid liners, colorful liquid liners. So they're not the best brand, honestly. I don't even know what brand they are. They're some off-brand, but I just bought them because I saw them and I wanted a whole bunch of colors. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and pick this pink color right here. I have tried these a few times. They are not the best, so they're gonna be a little difficult to work with, but they are not the worst. They're pretty nice, but they do dry pretty quickly, so you do have to kind of like get into it and just do it. So today I'm gonna pick this color right here. I think it'll go great with this color right here, and it'll show up great. Actually, I could have done a blue too. No, I'm gonna stick with this one, and I'm just gonna build a look around this. So I don't know how I want to do the liquid liner. Do I want to do just a simple liquid liner? Do I want to add a little bit of black onto it? I don't know. Either way, I'll figure it out on the way, like I always do. So let's go ahead and get started. So to start off, I do want to hydrate my lips, and I'm going to go into this LA Girl Lip Plumper. It's actually, I don't think it's meant to be used as like a regular lip, like chapstick or anything, but I just do. You guys can let me know if you see any difference in my lips after I do this, but it does give you that stinging sensation, so it keeps me awake. And then, of course, more importantly than that, I need to put my hair back because this will get on my nerves. There you go. Alright, so first I think I'm going to start with my eyes. Just in case I screw up, I do have a backup of like just erasing it and just starting over. So let's go ahead and do that. To prime my eyes, I'm going to go ahead into my Tarte Shape Tape in Tan Sand and just put that all over my lid. I'm actually not putting anything else as of yet, so we'll just do that for now. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I usually have lights on in the back, and I need to change the batteries. I've always put them on unless I just forgot, but I don't have them on, and I feel like it doesn't make a big difference because I don't have batteries in them, so the light is very faint, and with all the lights I have going on in front of me, you really can't even tell. Alright, and then I'm just going to powder them with my Huda Beauty Blondie baking powder in Blondie. Oh, maybe I should hold it like this. Baking powder in Blondie. I'm just going to use that to go ahead and just set that. And then I think I want to put some tape on so I can get like a good wing liner. First, I'm just going to go ahead with this, and this is called the Handaiyan Eyeliner. Guys, I really don't know. Honestly, I don't even remember where I got this from. But I'm just going to go ahead and line. I do like the brush, it's pretty nice, so that's good. I'm making it a little bit thicker because I think I do want to go with black below it just to make it pop a little bit more. So it's actually not bad. It is not the most pigmented as far as like if I do like a swipe over it while it's still wet, it will kind of take it or fade it away a little bit. So I can do a second coat once this is dry. So I have them both done, and I did do a second coat on both of them. They're still a little wet, but I'm just going to take the tape off. Oh, that does look good. So that does look good. So now I'm going to wait for it to dry a little bit more, and then I'm going to go over that with some black just to make it pop a little bit more. So they're mostly dry. I'm a little impatient, so hopefully I don't screw this up. But I'm gonna go into the Rare Beauty eyeliner. Now, I have spoke about this before. I think I did it on my live I love this eyeliner. I love the pen. It's very like calligraphy type of a point, and it is very, very pointy. Maybe I should show it up here. Very, very pointy, very, very nice. It lines beautifully. It's dark, it's matte, it's just gorgeous. This will help me to get the right line, and basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to outline the side and the top first, and then I'll see if I need to do the bottom. I have a tendency to take my brush and kind of flatten it as I'm coming down, which is normal, so that's why I got that little bit of a bleed, but look at that already. I just grew up on both, but now I'm gonna see if I can fix it with the pink. It's a little bit harder with this because, like I told you, it's not the most pigmented, so I am almost putting like little dots just to cover up the black a little bit more, and then I can go over it and just like smoothen it out. Alright, so I think I have it somewhat the way that I want it. The only problem with this is, like I said, it's not as pigmented. Putting the black on top, you can definitely see if you've done a good job with the eyeliner or not, but for this is what it's gonna be. It's gonna be fine. No worries. Let's not stress over it. But yeah, I think it looks kind of nice. I know it makes my eyes look a little weird right now, but once we get the whole look together, it's gonna look better. So I haven't actually put any other eyeshadow or any eyeshadow on my top lid, which I'm gonna go ahead and do right now. I know it's kind of like after the fact, but that's fine. I'm just gonna go into the new Nude palette, and I'm gonna take the color Raw, which is this color right here, and I'm just going to apply that onto my like my crease, just so my lids don't look super flat and there's like a little bit of a definition. Yeah, see, that's all I wanted, just a little definition so you know, hey, my lid is up to here. Now that I'm done with my top lid for now, I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of the face makeup, and we'll come back to the eyes. Lately, I have been using this for my primer, the E.L.F. Poreless primer. I like it, it's fine, it works well. So I've been wanting to do my nails for some time now, so don't look at them. But apparently I am allergic to gel nails. I wasn't before, but now all of a sudden I am. And I mean, it is what it is. It sucks because I had all this gel polish and stuff that I wanted to do, and now it's just not there anymore, so it is what it is. Hopefully regular nail polish is okay. I haven't tried it yet. I've been a little scared to try it, but we will see. Alright, so now for my color corrector, because like I said, my dark circles, they just want to stay. They love me so much that they just want to stay. Now for foundation, I'm going to go into my NYX Born to Glow foundation in Golden Honey. Now I'm going to go ahead and conceal with my Tarte Shape in Tan Sand. Ooh, girl, be careful. Oh no! I got some on my top. So I totally ruined my tank top a little, got a little makeup on there, but hopefully it'll dry by the time I'm done with all this, because I have a look I need to do and I need this top to be okay. So I cleaned it up, and yeah. So I have to be very careful when I do the eyes, because I don't want to get rid of that eyeliner wing, you know, so be careful around that area. Also, a little trick that I guess this is a good time to tell you. I usually don't do it with a Tarte Shape Tape because it is a pretty drying concealer. But another trick is, if you have a concealer and you want extra coverage, leave it on just like I did for a few minutes. Leave it on for a little bit, and then you can start to like pat it in, because it will actually give you more coverage because it kind of like dried down a little bit. Alright, so now we just want to powder that down so that way it's all nice and set. So I'm just gonna go into my Blondie and powder it, almost baking, I guess. I guess I'm gonna do some baking. And then the rest I'm just gonna put all over. Okay. What kind of baking is this? I do not know. What are you doing, girl? I don't know. Alright, so next we're gonna go ahead and contour. I'm just gonna go right into a powder contour. And you know I've been loving my Hoola in Toasted, and it's like a great color. You do have to be careful how much you put on because I have put on a lot before, so don't be too heavy-handed with it. I just start off really lightly, like I don't even press down on my skin like that. I just like lightly feather it, and even then, look how much color. I mean, it also depends on how much you take on your brush and the color that you use. But yeah. But just work with that color and just literally try to blend that away. So now I'm just gonna feather away all of my baking and kind of just go all over so that I can blend everything in nicely. Now to blush. Gosh, you guys, I'm always using the same stuff, but I'm gonna go into my Tarte Pro Glow and Blush, and I'm just going to use this color right here and just put that all over my cheeks. A little bit on my nose. I love this brush. It just feels so nice to just pat on your face. I know it looks like I'm putting a lot, but trust me, at the end, you really won't be able to notice it as much. A nice little smile, you know, so you know where the apples are. So for my bottom lid, I'm going to go into the Ciate London Editor's Palette, and I'm going to use this color right here. I've been loving using that color for my bottom lid. I don't know, it just does wonders for me. I've been using this palette actually a lot this week, and I love it. Like literally one color on the lid and this color on the bottom, it just gives me life. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and finish my eyes with the lashes. I don't think I'm going to put lashes on because I kind of don't want to not see the work that I've done. So I'm going to actually just put mascara on and not do any false lashes. And for my top lashes, I'm going to go ahead and add the Essence Lash Paradise. Now, I'm just going to curl my lashes real quick, and I have used this on its own in my last video, I believe, or the video before that. So it works like wonders. You have to be very careful with this eyeliner because it is the type that you can kind of like peel off, you know? So be careful when you're clamping. This is the Essence mascara, and it's like $4 or $5, and it does wonders for your lashes. It's beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see. This one hair, guys, is really getting on my nerves. I already got some on my lid. So for my bottom lashes, I'm going to use the Voluminous Lash Paradise and put that wonderfully on my bottom lashes. I am going to go into my bottom liner with this NYX Wonder Pencil in Nude, and I feel like that'll open up the eyes just a little bit more. Now let's go ahead and define our brows, and I'm going to take this LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil and first just brush it out because they like to be all over the place sometimes. And then I'm just going to do a quick little brow with this, nothing too much, but just defining so that the eyeliner has, you know, has something to stand on, you know? I don't know if that makes sense, but it does to me. So now to finish the look off, I need to put some highlighter and do my lipstick. So for my highlighter, as always, I'm going to go into the Huda Beauty 3D Highlight Palette. And we're gonna take a little fan brush, and I think I'm gonna go into Maldives like I always do, and give some life. Actually, no, my cheeks have life because of that blush, but a little bit more. So the main places that I kind of want to concentrate on is the tip of my nose right here, just a little bit there, and then my brow bone needs some love, or a lot of love, and my inner corner needs a little bit there. Nice little spark. And then we can go ahead and do the lips. I hope you guys are liking this look so far. So for my lips, I'm gonna take this beautiful pink color that's pretty much like the same as my lid, hopefully. And this is the Ruby Kisses Super Rich Cream in Electric Magenta. Now, I have done a video on this. I've gotten like, I think 2 more of these from Ruby Kisses. So if you haven't seen that video, I will leave a link to it up here. Go check it out. The colors are beautiful. So it's a quick video. It's only like 3 lipsticks. So go check it out. Ooh. So obviously these 2 are very different colors, as you can tell now. But what we can do, even though I do like this lip color a lot. Alright, so I have another color I can add on top of this just to match the color a little bit more. Otherwise we'll go into a completely different direction. But this is the Balm Cosmetics Creamy Lip Stain. And it's a little bit more on the orangey redder side. So I'm going to put this right on top of what I have on right now. Smells pepperminty. So that toned it down just a little bit. These lips are going to be on the super glossy side. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. It's just a little fun, a little color, you know. I know it's a little bit more of a springy kind of a look. I mean, I had the top on, so I figured why not. And I know I haven't done a fall look yet. I will soon, but I did want to try something like this out. I hope you guys like this. I do like it. It's just fun. It's just so much fun. And I'm glad I was able to match the lip closer to the eyeliner, and I hope the lashes are good enough too. But other than that, this is just a fun look, something just a little bit on the playful side. And I do have more colorful eyeliners, even though they're not the best quality. I do have more, so I will do more looks for you guys in the future. So if you like this, please give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and click that little bell icon so you get notified every time I upload. I thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Bye!